Now imagine coming home from work, dipping yourself in highest infinity pool in Kuala Lumpur and enjoying the breathtaking views of the Twin Towers lighting up at night. Today, I'll be taking you inside Eaton residence with fully furnished units, breathtaking skyline views, and more importantly, fantastic rental returns. Let's check it out. So one thing that's recognizable is the glass facade. Very modern, sleek design and engineered by Arup. But before we get inside, let's talk about location. Now, Eaton Residence is located on Jalan Peng, and it's really in the heart of the city. Prime location. Right in front of us is MRT Conlay. This is really a bonus for those who are staying around here because it's only one stop to TRX Financial District and one stop to KLCC. And if you have a car or you're taking a Grab, it's only like 1 kilometer away to Bukit Bintang, where you have all the Michelin star dining, luxury brand shopping, and nightlife as well. So location is just awesome, it's fantastic. So without further ado, let's step inside Eaton Residence. So guys, welcome to Eaton Residence. So you can see this modern driveway here with dark tiles, and over there, that is the lobby over there where you do all your registration. Reception counter is there, and a very nice fountain here as well. Alright, so we can't really take video in common area so much. Now without further ado, let's go and check out the units itself. Let's go. Alright, welcome. This is 850 square feet, 1+1 bedroom with 1 bathroom. Alright, so fire rated door with your digital lock, and you have plenty of drawers here as well to put your shoes. Okay, and one thing that you notice when you come in, you'll be welcomed by this very nice huge mirror. And this is your washer and dryer, 2-in-1, and your fridge as well is provided. And even some mirrors here as well to further accentuate the space, to make the place looks more spacious. So first thing when you come in, right, you can realize is that the space, the layout looks very spacious because of the very long format of this living room. Okay, that you can see all the way to your glass windows. And this is your dry kitchen. You know, the specs itself, right, they're using bloom hinges. It's all soft close. And your kitchen fittings by Grohe. You have your backsplash as well there. Your hood and hob by Bosch. Okay, and one more thing, it's the drawer system, right? It's a brand called Hettich. Hopefully I pronounced it right, from Germany. Okay, so this brand, it's well known and it's meant to last you a lifetime. Okay. And you have a 4-person dining table. You can put another chair here for 5 persons if you want. And this is your living area. Nice and spacious. This is the L sofa, and they even provide you a nice TV. And you can come over here. This is, you're sharing city views over there. Merdeka 118. In front is Plaza Conlay, the Conlay, and over there, that is Royal Selangor Golf. And far into the horizon is some of the mountain views as well. You can also realize is how quiet is this unit because you're using double glazed window. Okay, it blocks out heat at the same time noise as well. So let's head into the sleeping quarters. Before we go into the rooms, right, this is your shared bathroom. Okay, we have kitchen sink by Roka, and of course inside here is your rain shower by Grohe, and the shower head as well, shower screen. A very nice bathroom where you can use it for yourself and even for your guests as well. And over here, your +1 room. So the reason why it's a glass door, right, is because they have converted this into an office or a study room. Okay, it's also tastefully designed. This is the master room. Comes with a very nice king-size bed. Of course, you have your cabinetry as well by Hettich. Yeah, it comes with all these LED lightings as well, right? And when you open and close, right, it feels very premium. Okay, so this is 1+1 bedroom, 1 bath, 850 square feet. Now let's go to the showstopper, which is the penthouse. Let's go. we are at the penthouse, the crown jewel of Eaton residence. Now the size of this penthouse is 2,831, almost 3,000 square feet. Check out the space. So this is your living area, guys. Oh, super spacious. And floor to ceiling windows. It brings in plenty of natural light. And you have unobstructed views of Royal Selangor Golf Club. And far into the horizon is the mountains as well. The glass windows actually wraps around the whole living area. Let's take a look at the kitchen. This is where the magic happens. So the first thing that I want to show you, something that you don't see very often. A giant enclosed fridge. And you have your freezer down there as well. Look at that. Oops. Okay. And your hood and hob by Bosch. Yeah. So you have all this drawer system as well by Hettich from Germany. And the Bosch, and this is your coffee machine. Fantastic. And you even have a wine chiller here as well. So bear in mind, all these are all high-end kitchen appliances, okay, by Bosch. Your backsplash, and you have your kitchen fittings here as well by Grohe. And this is your middle kitchen countertop where you can use it to prepare food. Yeah, or like a serving counter. So behind me, it's the yard. And that's where you store your air cons as well. Wow. Even while washing your clothes here, right, you can enjoy the views of Royal Selangor Golf, some greenery, green elements. Now let's go and take a look at the sleeping quarters. So every owners have his own taste, right? You can design it, you know, according to your own taste. It's like a blank canvas. And over here, this will be a shared bathroom, all clad in marble. I mean, this is your guest bathroom. Okay. So this guest bathroom over here connects to bedroom number 1. And this bedroom also comes with cabinetry as well. So wardrobe cabinets. Of course, it doesn't have the LED lighting, it's because there's no power yet. Floor to ceiling windows and a fantastic view of Exchange TRX over there. Okay, one of our iconic landmarks in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. And in front of you, of course, you have the Conlay, Prince Court Hospital, and over there, green elements of Royal Selangor Golf. So one thing that sets apart the penthouse units and all the other standard units, right, is the high floor to ceiling. And this one is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2, it has an ensuite bathroom with a shower head, bathroom fittings by Roka, and some nice glass mirrors. And this room shares the same view as bedroom number 1 with nice views of Exchange TRX. Now let's look at bedroom number 3. And this is a very nice hallway as well. You can put paintings, nice table here if you can put it as well. Bedroom number 3 is here. So this is bedroom number 3. Same view as bedroom 1 and 2. Same views. Floor to ceiling windows, high ceiling, wardrobe cabinets. And this is your master bedroom. Okay, very nice walk-in cabinets here. If it's not enough, you can even put cabinets here as well, this side. Okay, over here as well. And of course, you have your ensuite bathroom. Comes with his and her sink, so you don't need to fight with your wife. Okay, and it also has a bathtub as well. Okay, so that's it for the tour for the penthouse. Now, let's take a look at the facilities. Let's go. Okay, so we are at the 51st floor, the Sky facilities. So on my right is Royal Selangor Golf with mountain views. And over there, Merdeka 118 as well. You can see a little bit of KL Tower. You can have plenty of seating areas here for you to enjoy the tent or something like that. And over the other side, this is the showstopper, guys. Now this is the highest cantilever pool in Kuala Lumpur. At the same time, you get to enjoy views of the Twin Towers as well. Isn't it stunning? Fantastic. And of course over here is where you have a very nice small pool as well for your kids. Okay, let's go and check out the other facilities. Now on the same floor you have a gourmet kitchen. This is where you can get caterers, a master chef, your own personal chef to come and cook for you. And over here this would be, looks like a dipping pool or even a wading pool for kids as well. And the best thing about this small little pool here, you get to enjoy the views of Twin Towers over there. Whew, fantastic. Now let's head on to level 50, gym. So this is gym. On the lights. Yeah, well equipped. You have your treadmills, free weights. Over there, that would be something like a yoga deck. And come over. Wow, check it out. Floor to ceiling windows, totally wraps the whole area. Where you can have a very nice view of Royal Selangor Golf over there. Mountain views. Now this is the perfect setup if you want to do yoga here. So relaxing, man. Check it out. Let's head over the other side. And this would be the dancing studio. Aerial hanging yoga. Yeah, dancing studio. So nice. Let's go and take a look at other facilities. Okay, so over here we have a chill out terrace for you to take nice photos. Great views of Twin Towers over there. And right there is the tallest building in Malaysia, Merdeka 118. So over here, this would be a multi-purpose hall. You have a staircase here that goes up to level 51, where the infinity pool is at. Yeah, the games room is here. You have a nice sitting area and a pool table here as well. Okay, so that's all for level 50 and level 51. I'm going to bring you to level 8. Let's go. Okay, so now we are at level 8, the Sky Garden. This is where it gets really interesting, where Eaton really combine wellness, lifestyle, and comfort at the same time. So you have all these walking paths in front of you, and a nice table tennis as well on my right. And this is a children's play area over here. So the Sky Garden actually wraps around the building itself. So in front of me, it's the barbecue area where you can gather your friends. So besides lifestyle and also all the nice facilities, right? Let's talk about numbers. So Eaton Residence, right? It has been ranked as a top 5 Airbnb in Kuala Lumpur for quite a number of years already. And it's always achieving full, very strong occupancy as well. And the developer at the moment now, they're giving guaranteed rental return for 5% for the first 4 years. So if you're an investor looking to invest in Malaysia, this is really a good buy. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the tour today. If you like a private viewing or a private tour, feel free to give me a call. My number is at the bottom. At the same time, if you like the video, do like it and subscribe to my channel for more future property videos. Kelvin signing out. I will see you in the next one. Bye.